Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to make GTA 5 always open in full screen. I show you guys how to do it. Method 1, you just need to right click on the game on the desktop shortcut and select open file location, and right click on the blank area and select new and select test document. Name this as all lowercase command line. Press enter. After typing all lowercase command line, just double click on it and check my video description for this text used in my video. Just copy and paste it in the command line and then select file and select save it. After saving it, just close it here, and now it's saved this text. Launch the game through the desktop shortcut, and as you can see the game opens up full screen mode. I'm now just going to close the game to show you guys. After closing the game, file location, I'm going to delete the command line. Now launch the game through the desktop shortcut, and as you can see the game opens up in window mode. The first method worked for more people. If that doesn't work, method 2, you just need to press alt plus enter key in your keyboard. Before doing that, click on the GTA 5 game using the mouse and then do the thing alt plus will tap the enter key to make the game full screen. As you can see, this is method 2. Method 3, you just need to press escape key in your keyboard and select pause menu and go to settings and select the graphics and screen type, set this to full screen and select the FPS you want. After selecting the full screen, you can press the spacebar key or up plus by using mouse cursor and then select the yes option to save it. And these are the three methods you can use to make the GTA 5 full screen. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.